Conducting research is a significant component in planning and formulation of policies for the successful implementation of any program towards the achievement of agency goals and objectives. Research results are vital instruments in determining areas that needs further improvement to come up with holistic approach to achieve efficient and effective delivery of service to the clientele. In fisheries, Dr. Evelyn C. Ame's name is gaining popularity through her remarkable undertakings in the field of research and development. At present, her name is associated with three major endeavors of the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources Region 2, the Oplan sa Gipludong, eel conservation and seaweed production and conservation, particularly on porphyra or locally known as gamet. In October 2010, upon the directive of DA Secretary Proceso J. Alcala, the Oplan sa Gipludong or OSL program was launched. It aims to foster conservation and protection measures to save ludong from the brink of impending extinction. Dubbed as the most expensive fish in the country, the fish is also considered as a cultural icon among Cagayanos. With a high commanding price which ranges from 5,000 to 6,000 pesos a kilo, these catadromous fish serve as source of lucrative income among fishers during its annual spawning season. As head of the Interagency OSL Task Force, Dr. Ame has crafted multi-pronged approaches that are designed to bring back abundance of the fish, which will in turn ensure continuous source of income among fishers. Research undertakings on ludong includes a study on its reproductive biology, profiling of fishers, exploratory fishing, and habitat characterization in its respective niche, and recently a study on the growth performance of mullet both in hapa and pond. Her research works in collaboration with partner agencies such as the National Fisheries Research and Development Institute and the DA Bureau of Agricultural Research later became the scientific basis and reference in the issuance of BFAR Administrative Circular No. 247, declaring closed season for fishing ludong from its migratory path during spawning season from October 1 to November 15 of the year. Simultaneous with the implementation of the Ludong project, the issue on elvers also created a big noise in the market. Elver gathering has long been a thriving industry, particularly along estuarine areas like along the mouth of Cagayan River. Market movement of eel encouraged enterprising townsfolk to act as consolidators. They buy live elvers at 2,500 pesos a kilo, then ship these to Manila for export among eel-consuming countries like Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, and China. Big demand in the East Asian countries escalated as brought about by the Fukushima disaster that hit Japan, promoted importers to look for elvers where the Philippines was not spared. The increase in demand resulted to a sharp rise in the local market. Standing price of elvers started from 2,500 pesos a kilo and gradually went up to 40,000 pesos from 2009 to 2012. This brought gathering frenzy where almost all coastal towns in the northern Cagayan got involved in the trade, that even school children and tricycle drivers were lured into catching elvers. Assigned as a Seaweeds Action Officer of BFAR Region 2, she is responsible in crafting and developing programs and research endeavors to lift the seaweeds industry in the Cagayan Valley region. Her initiatives are focused on two commercially valuable seaweed species, such as the Gracilaria and Porphyra or Nori in Japan. Her research work involves determining the environmental conditions that favors the growth of the seaweed species and the rudiments in gathering porphyra. A gathering porphyra, or locally known as gamet, provides employment opportunities to a number of coastal fisherfolk who cannot go out fishing during monsoon season. Relative to the promotion of seaweeds as food, she is responsible in crafting campaign strategies in encouraging consumers to make seaweed-based products part of their diet.
Ang ating porphyra, mataas ang nutritional content ng ating porphyra. So sinasabi nila may vitamin C, vitamin A, halos lahat na po ng mga phytochemicals nakikita natin dito sa ating porphyra. At saka 100% organic ang aming porphyra. Ibig sabihin wala pong mga chemicals na nagamit sa pagpapalaki ng ating porphyra. Kaya nga po gustong-gusto ng mga dayuhan na bumili ng porphyra dito. Mostly yung mga market namin, yung mga balikbayan na hindi lang siguro Ilocano or yung mga balikbayan sila galing sa Canada, ganyan, bumibili sila ng porphyra. Inuuwi pa nila yun sa Amerika para doon nila kainin. Aside from food, ito rin po ay pwedeng gawing isang raw material for nori. Kaya nga lang po, itong species na meron sa atin, nahihirapan kaming gawin yung katulad ng ginagawa sa ibang bansa na parang papel na lang po yung porphyra. Ibang klase kasi po yung ating porphyra, hindi katulad ng porphyra sa ibang bansa na mahahaba yung talos nila na kaya lang i-layer lang po yun, pwede nang gawing sheet. Yung atin po parang bulaklak po kasi siya
To her family, Dr. Ame is a doting mother to 4 kids and a good wife to her husband and equally brilliant Dr. Ray Ame, who is also a researcher. Dr. Ame's great motivation in life is to make significant contribution in nation building through her chosen craft in research and development. Exploring potential researchable areas and new frontiers in fisheries is one of her passion at work. With these unparalleled accomplishments she has made towards the sustainable development of the fisheries industry, Dr. Ame's name deserves to be included in the rosters of outstanding researchers in the country.